How to find messages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find messages on Facebook Lite. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook Lite, and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just click this one here, messages. You will find it in the menu, and as you see here you can find your messages. I don't have any messages on this account, that's why there is nothing here. And that's how to find messages on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.